Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see reposts of other TikTok accounts. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So what you first need to do is open the TikTok app, and once you're right here at profile, what you obviously need to do is find an account you want to see a repost of. So for example, this account right here, just a random account I found, and in order to see the videos they have reposted, all we need to do is click on this little repost icon, or like those two arrows going in a circle, and that means they're reposts, and then you can see all the videos they have reposted. So yeah, that's basically how you can see reposts of other TikTok accounts. In order to see the reposts of your own TikTok account, all you need to do is come and head over to your profile, and then right here you have that same icon where you can click on, and then you will be able to see the reposts of your own TikTok account. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.